But then I think about I have to take it off again. It's amazing. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the D Squad if you are new. Today we have another finally K-pop inspired makeup video. I'm going to follow along with a makeup tutorial by Solar from Mamamoo because she has her own YouTube channel. Wow. And I found it and then I saw that she did her own like kind of makeup tutorial thingy. So we're going to try to follow along with it using my own skin tone, skin shade, whatever you call it, of products. Yeah, just like kind of have a chill video this time, and I want to kind of talk to you guys about my upcoming Korea trip and all the things that I have planned. Yeah, that is basically it. And yes, I am barefaced. Liar! Well, I have my eyebrows on because I had them shaped for my vacation just a few days ago, so we ain't touching the eyebrows today, but the rest of the face, I'm so ready. I'm so ready. I'm so ready. It's been quite a while since I've done a video like this, so it's kind of like I have to get used to it again. And I'm also using a different camera. I'm using the G7X Mark II because I want to kind of try it out. I'm taking it with me to Korea to vlog because it's easier than my Sony and easier than my other Canon. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this quality and the sound. I have no idea how it's going to be like, so if it's shitty, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's what we're working with today. So I already put on some essence and did a little bit of skin care, but not a lot, because I also see that she wants to do some skincare. So let's just follow along. Let's just follow along, girl. Okay, so I watched the part where she and her stylist kind of went through the routine together, and I'm following along with her. She said that she did a little bit of base work with also some sunscreen. So I have this day cream from Kiko, and it has SPF in it. I'm not too sure how much it has, but oh, SPF 15. It's a global moisturizing cream, and I really like this one. It wasn't that expensive. I think like 15 euros. So it's quite doable, and I noticed that since I've started using SPF, my skin has improved so much, so much. So I can't wait to get to Korea to kind of do some intense skincare shopping. I'm also planning to go to a skincare clinic to get some facial care. Not a lot. I was looking at the lasers, but they're super expensive. So I just wanted like some skincare, some peelings and stuff like that. I'm planning to travel a little bit through Korea, but yeah, my plans are changing daily, literally daily, because I was supposed to go with a friend and then she couldn't go anymore, and then I was planning to go alone, and then I had some people, some of my subscribers, hi guys if you're watching, contact me that they want to meet up, so I'm definitely doing that. And then my other friend, who was in my pervert in a train in Korea story, she literally messaged me like 2 days ago telling me she booked a ticket to Korea and we have an overlap in time. So like I think my second week she's arriving, so that is a lot of fun. Okay, so let's continue following her. She applies foundation first on her hand, and then she puts it on her face with her finger. Okay, okay. So I don't know how that's going to work because it's not a drop. It's like this thingy, but not a great way to do this. Okay. So she puts a little foundation. I didn't see her put any primer, but yeah, we're just going to... Do I? Okay, I'm still going to like cheat a little. I don't know if she put primer, but she said she did her base, so I'm going to just put a little bit of primer in there. We're just going to mix it up. Honestly, I do this more often. I mean, I could edit it out, but why should I? This is daily life, people. This is what I usually do if I forget something. I just mix it in there. So I love this primer. I actually bought it because I saw Kenny JD, I think, use it, or was it Miss Darcy? I'm not too sure. One of the two or both of them. I saw them use this primer and I saw it on sale on Yes Style, and then I bought it. It's the VDL Luma Layer Primer, and this primer literally gives you like the nicest glow ever. So then she puts her foundation on her hand, but since my foundation is like this, I'm just going to put it on my face. Oh, she put way too little. She put some more. Okay, should I also put some more? Oh, she went to the neck too. Girl, you're doing the most. She has like this, they have this really cool sponge that I can't find here. So once I go to Korea, I want to find it. It's like the triangle-y sponge, but I'm just using my NYX Beauty Blender. I love this one because it has like all the different sides. I honestly have to say I never take my foundation down this low. I should, I know I should. But then I think about I have to take it off again. I'm too lazy. Contrary to what a lot of people think of me, I'm not that big on makeup. Like, I like it, I like the artwork of it, but sometimes it's just too much work and I cannot be bothered. And since my skin has been doing better, I don't feel like I have to wear that much makeup anymore. So that's also the reason why I haven't done a video on makeup in a long time, because I do the same boring shit every day. Ooh, look at this base, guys. Oh my gosh. I am loving this combination of the primer and this foundation. She uses 17C. Girl, I'm all the way up to, what shade is this even? I don't even know, but this is like 24 golden. Okay, she uses a cream eyeshadow. I don't have any cream eyeshadow. But I do have the Born to Glow Illuminator. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this one right here. I don't even know which shade it is, but it's the one next to the red. And she didn't even put a base for her eyes. I'm gonna use my other flat side of the brush to get this done. And then she does her eyebrows, but like I said, I ain't touching my eyebrows anymore because it took a lot of pain to get it that way. So guys, I'm quite confused and kind of torn about what all I want to do in Korea. I definitely know I'm going to take some really cool pictures. I already have my photographers lined up that I booked. And then I also want to go to Jeju, and I want to kind of, you know, explore a bit more than just Seoul and Busan, which I did last time mostly. So Jeju was on my list for a long time, and that is definitely something that I want to do. But I'm also thinking about different areas that I want to visit. If you guys have any tips, let me know down below. I'm open to any suggestions, really. Okay, so she went back to her eyeshadow and she's like, the under eye needs to give a red feel to look lovable. So I'm just going to use the red in here and kind of go underneath just a little bit on my eyelid. It surprises me that her stage makeup is so light. Like, you would think that they use a lot of makeup with those lights, but surprisingly it's very light. Ooh. Okay, and then she goes in with her eyeliner. She uses, I think, a brown one, but I need to use a black one. Okay, so I cannot find my liquid liner, but I do have this. Is the Real Push-Up Liner from Benefit, and it's more like a gel pen-like liner that you have to click. Okay, so apparently I'm out of eyeliner. How can you be out of eyeliner? This is crazy. All my eyeliner is finished. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this NYX micro brow pencil. It's in like the shade Espresso, and I'm going to try to do it with this one. So she first does her waterline. Ooh, yeah, my eyes are tearing up too. Oh my god. Let's see if we can salvage anything out of this. I mean, it kind of worked. Now, let's see if there's enough for the other side. We did it! Miracle! We managed to use the last of it. It's not like the perfect eyeliner, but honestly, right now, I'm taking everything I can take. Yeah, they're in no way or shape even, but it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. She uses brown mascara. Okay, so I'm just going to use black mascara because brown is not gonna work for me. I'm also going to do it prettily. And I'm just going to apply pearl. I don't know exactly what she means with pearl, but from what I see, it's something that's like illuminating-ish. So apply pearl to the fat under your eye as well. Well, I have a lot of them today. So I'm going to apply the Gleam because I think it looks more natural with my skin tone. So, ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, so apply here too. And the most important part is to fill the outer corner with a darker color. So for that, I'm going to use this dark purple here, and I'm going to use a really tiny brush because I think it gives me more control. Oh, okay, and then we go do mascara on the lower lashes. So, lovely. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. She goes back with foundation. Okay. So let's go and blend again. Okay, and now for the blush. Everything's all blended out here. I'm using the NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Cream Powder Blush, and this is in the color Risky Business. And she kind of puts it all over the apples of her cheeks. And no smiling because then it goes down once you, so if you do like this and you put it and you do like this, it's all the way over here. So no smiling. That's a bit red. It's a bit red. That's a bit red. It's a bit too red. Oh, not going well. Not going well. Okay. Give yourself a little red gleam over there. The lipstick. She applies it with her hand. I'm not too sure about the color of the lipstick, so let's see. I can do this one. I kind of like that color. Or this one. I only have liquids. Or for the most vibrant one, my MAC. Oh, that one's really red. I think that one might be a bit too red. Okay, so I think I like this color the most, and that is the NYX Soft Metallic. The Soft Metallic Lip Cream. So that's what I'm going to do. She calls it chili color. Okay, so she applies it to the inside. I think for me, I can even go a little bit heavier. And we are done! So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of my take on Solar's summer stage makeup? I actually really like this. It's very covering because you use like 2 layers of foundation, but it actually looks really natural because you're not using a lot of bold colors except for your lip. So yeah, I like this. I like this. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do I look like a K-pop star? Just like a few shades darker? Just a few? Just a teeny tiny few shades in different race, but that doesn't matter. It's what's in your heart. And my heart is soul art from Mamamoo. Mamamoo. Well guys, let me know if you guys like this video. If you did, click click like, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next videos, which will be my prep for Korea mostly and my flight to Korea. So I'm going to document and vlog the whole thing, or at least like that's what I'm planning. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.